Hi! In this video, I will show you how to delete the YouTube channel. Deleting your channel is a permanent option. It means all your videos, comments, and posts will permanently gone, deleted. To delete your account, go to your profile and click on YouTube Studio. On the left corner, click on Setting. Go to Channel and click on Advanced Setting. Scroll down and look for the Remove YouTube Content. Click it, and a window will pop for you to type in your password. Click Next. So here are your two options. Option number 1 is to hide your channel, and option number 2 is to permanently delete your channel. So to delete your channel, click on Permanently Delete Your Channel. And put check on these boxes right here. And click on Delete My Content. A pop-up box will appear to confirm by typing in your email address. Click on Delete My Content. And your YouTube channel has been permanently deleted. Thanks for watching! For more videos like this, please subscribe on our channel. Bye!